Hey guys, good morning. It's Mrs. Alman Powell. Okay.
Hi.
And we wanted to tell you what your assignments were for today. So, for reading and writing, you're actually going to do social studies, and there's a Jimmy Carter assignment. So, if you go to the website, the second grade website, let's see. Here's Friday. Here, the social studies writing grade right here. That's where it is. It says social studies writing grade. You click on that. And then you're going to do Jimmy Carter, our 39th president. Write 5 things you could teach someone about Jimmy Carter. And also, there's one more. There's a social studies reading grade. And you're going to read about Jimmy Carter and answer these 5 questions about him. And both of those are for grade, okay? So you could use this story to help you with the writing. Then in math today, right here, Arctic, even, and odd. Azzy, shh. The Arctic, even, and odd. This is not for a grade, but what you're going to do, there's 5 sheets, and you're just going to pick 2. So this one says, color the ice blocks with even numbers, and you're going to color them blue. So you're only going to color the even numbers blue. And then if you chose this one, it says color the... Can you give her a toy, please? Color the blocks with even numbers blue, color the odd numbers yellow. So you just have to pick 2 of those worksheets, okay? But on the lesson, on the directions for today, on Friday, here's Friday. If you need help, you can watch this YouTube video. So there's also, you're going to choose the 2 Arctic videos to watch, or 2 Arctic worksheets to do. And then you're also going to go around your house and make a list of all of the even or odd furniture. So you can count, like, I have 2 couches, and you can say even, or there are 10 chairs in my house, and that's even, or I have 1 TV, that's odd. Okay, so that's kind of a little fun assignment. Remember, guys, we only need the stuff that's for a grade, okay, emailed to us. So the Jimmy Carter stuff, the opinion tree, and Jessica goes to the beach, that reading grade. Those are the only things we need this week to see. So that's your assignment for today, and then you have 2 days off of online school. So this weekend, I want you guys to go around the house, and I want you to try to find any nonfiction books that you can find, because next week in reading and writing, we're starting a new unit with nonfiction. So don't start reading those books yet, okay? Save them for next week and the following weeks. And if you don't have any nonfiction books at home, it's okay. I'm going to tell you some websites where you can find some nonfiction books online to read, okay? And then on Monday morning, we're going to do a Zoom and with your nonfiction books. So for your Monday morning Zoom, if you could find at least 1 nonfiction book, that would be awesome. And if not, I'll show you one online, okay? All right, guys, that's all for Friday. Don't forget to turn in your work to me and Mrs. Strickland. So Miss Strickland, she could use you could email her the math grade, okay? And if not, I'll send it to her. Have a good Friday. Have a good weekend. Hopefully you get to spend some time outside with your family. It's nice weather. And I miss all of you.